Hi, Vadim here. In this quick and practical tutorial, you'll learn how to solve this common everyday problem step by step. A lot of times, you need to share a document but remove sensitive data, like names, account numbers, or confidential terms, before sending it out. This process is called redaction. Let's start by identifying and highlighting what needs to be redacted. As a first step, let's use a word highlighter tool to temporarily mark everything that should be redacted. That helps you review before finalizing redaction. In the next step, let's replace sensitive data with black bars or placeholder text. To redact text, don't just change the color of the text. You need to completely replace it so the data isn't recoverable. And there are two safe ways to do it. Replace it with the black rectangles or replace the content with the placeholder characters, like redacted in square brackets. Even after redacting visible text, documents may still contain hidden data, like comments, revision history, or author names. Let's clear that too. Let's navigate to File, Info, Check for Issues, and Inspect Document. This allows us to run Document Inspector to remove all metadata, comments, and track changes. And in the last step, let's save a secure copy for distribution, preferably as PDF. We'll use File, Save As, choose Location, and name it same name as the original document, plus redacted contract. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to online training for everyone. Have a great day.